In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ERPNext. Whether you're new to ERPNext or just looking to expand your knowledge, you'll find this guide packed with useful insights to help you get started effectively. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, we'll take a closer look at using specific modules, which are the backbone of managing various business processes in ERPNext. For instance, within the CRM module, you'll find the Customer feature, which is essential for managing and maintaining your customer database. This tool allows you to store crucial customer information and track interactions and keep up-to-date notes, ensuring that your customer relationships are built on solid ground. Next up, in the Stock module, you'll encounter the Item feature. This is where you organize and catalog your inventory. By maintaining accurate item records, you can keep track of stock levels, set reorder points, and ensure your inventory is always in harmony with demand. It's about keeping your inventory streamlined and efficient so you never run into bottlenecks or overstock issues. Moving on to the Buying module, you'll utilize the Supplier feature. Managing supplier details is vital for a smooth procurement process. This module helps you efficiently organize supplier contacts, track supplier agreements, and ensure you're always up to date with your purchasing needs. Exploring ERPNext further, you'll discover key modules like selling, buying, accounting, inventory, human resources, and projects. All these modules are seamlessly interlinked, ensuring a smooth flow of information across your entire business. This interconnectedness is crucial as it helps eliminate redundant data entries and provides a cohesive view of your operations. Navigating between these modules is straightforward. You can either use the side menu, which offers a clear list of all available modules, or the handy search bar at the top. This search feature is a great time saver, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for without getting lost in the details. Now, let's create your first transaction. To start, generate a sales order. This is the initial step in processing your sales within the system. Follow up by converting the sales order into a sales invoice, which then allows you to track billing and payments effortlessly. On the purchasing side of things, you'll need to log purchase orders. By doing this, you create a record of requested products from suppliers, which forms the foundation for tracking incoming goods and ensuring that deliveries are completed on time. Furthermore, tracking stock transfers and payments is an essential process that integrates smoothly throughout all ERPNext modules. With these tools, you can ensure that your stock levels are accurate across different locations and that all financial transactions are accounted for appropriately. And there you have it. Mastering these foundational elements of ERPNext will set you on the right path toward efficient business management. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.